Hello, students. Yesterday we had discussed about the format of notice writing and major things which you should keep in mind while writing a notice. So today we will discuss about how to write a notice in general on the basis of a statement which will be given to you. Fine. So first of all, we will read out the statement, which is, you are Asma or Ashish, the head girl or head boy of XYZ International School. Your school is soon going to publish the annual magazine next month. So write a notice for the notice board of your school inviting students to submit write-ups. So here a name has been given to you, as well as a designation of head girl or head boy has been given to you, and the name of the school or the organization is also given to you, that is XYZ International School. Fine. According to the statement, your school, in other words, XYZ International School is going to publish the annual magazine next month. So, as a head boy or head girl, you have to invite the write ups. In other words, the articles or the stories which the students will write it down and will give it to you. And you have to make an announcement regarding that. They should write up the articles if they are willing, right, to get their articles published in the school magazine. So for that we have to write a notice. So according to the format which I had described to you, you have to write everything in a box. First of all, you will draw a box. Then in the very first line, you will write down the name of the issuing agency or the name of the organization. Here the name has been given to you, that XYZ International School. So you will write down XYZ International School, New Delhi in the very first line, but in the center, right? Then after that, you have to write down notice, and notice will be written in the capital words, fine. Then we will write down the date, that is 1st of April 2020. Then we have to give a title or the subject of the event. Here we have written it down, that the call for submissions, that you are asking the students to submit their write-ups. So then we will start with the body part of the notice. Then this is to inform all the students that the school is going to publish its annual magazine next month. So all those who wish to contribute can mail their entries to xyz@gmail.com. So write-ups will be accepted latest by 10th of April till 11 sorry April. You can take any topic of your own choice. For further information, contact the respective class teachers. So first of all, have a look at the notice board. Now I will explain to you about the body part of your notice board, that this is to inform all the students. And I had explained to you yesterday that we always use interpersonal language, and which means that we have to write from the perspective of third person. So here you are addressing not only the student of first class, second class or 10th class, you are addressing the students of whole school. Fine. So this is to inform all the students that our school is going to publish its annual magazine next month. So all those who wish to contribute can mail their address to XYZ. Then also you have to give the time, that when they are supposed to submit their write-ups. So those write-ups will be accepted latest by 10th of April 2020 till 11:59 p.m. Right? So you can take any topic of your choice. Then for further information, contact your respective class teachers, then Asma or Ashish, and you have to write down the designation also, and which will be written in the brackets. So I hope that you will not find any kind of difficulty in notice writing now.